this journey makes no sense. And you need to understand that whoever you are, wherever you are from, however you started your journey, the most important aspect of our business is the power of your dream. And I really cannot emphasize this enough, that everything else doesn't matter. You can be the best presenter in your team. You can understand this business better than me. You can know all the details about Q10. You could be an expert on the main plan, the RSP plan. Maybe you can talk about products for 5 hours. But it doesn't matter. And the reason why the world will never understand us, why your family may not understand you, maybe your own wife or husband will not understand you, because dreams are personal. Dreams are personal. Now, Dato Sri Vijay spoke about Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, Mother Teresa. These are great souls. These are people who change history. These are people who created the world we live in today. But if you ask them, ultimately, to me, they were dreamers. Now, in the early days, when we sat down with our downlines, when Dato Sri Vijay sat down with me, we spoke for hours to understand what my dream was. My real dream. Now you guys have turned it into a process, like a mechanism, you know. You sit down with your downlines, your new sign up, and you immediately ask them, what's your dream? The guy said, I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? You don't want a big house? Nice car? What's your dream car? It's almost like an examination in school. But the topic of dream was not meant to be that, because the dream is something you have forgotten. And when you signed up in QNet, you wrote down 9 out of 10 people will write the same thing. I have seen big car, big house, travel first class, Rolex, Mercedes, BMW, Ferrari, Lamborghini, blah, 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 blah. And that's not wrong. That's a dream. But you see, in your journey, there are 2 types of dreams. Dreams that inspire you. The dreams that get you excited. Like when you see a Ferrari on the road, we all get excited, you know, like, wow. What you fail to understand is that everyone else in the world also gets excited when they see a Ferrari. So I wanted everything. And 18 years I have bought everything. Now I don't even know what to do with my money. But when I started my journey, when my upline Dato Sri Vijay spoke to me about the dream, he asked me one question. Patman, find that dream you are willing to fight for. Find that dream that you're willing to die for. Find that dream that nobody can take away from you. Find that dream that will keep you awake at night, not put you to sleep. Find that dream that will push you when you are dead tired and you can't even answer your call. Find that dream that will give you enough courage to fight the world who tells you it's not possible. Find that dream that doesn't only exist in your mind, but beats in your heart every single second of the day. Now today, all of you have a dream list. And you look at that list. Some of you have pictures. Your uplines tell you to put pictures in your wall. You go to a car showroom and you look at your dream car. My question to you is, after 1,000 rejections, will you still fight for that dream? Many of us give up this concept of dreams, even in the 20s. Because the reality of life hits you hard. But if you think back when you were younger, if you think back when you were 16, 17, 18 years old, you believed in everything, you know. You actually had dreams. But somewhere along the way, life and the world stole that dream away from you. And then you gave in. You surrendered. And you told yourself, screw the dreams. I need to pay my bills. I need to survive. Now you're not alone. All of us thought that way. But Dato Sri Vijay came into our lives and told us that dreams can come true. The world is going to try to steal your dream. If you walk up to your friends, to even your own family, and you tell them, in the next 3 years, I am going to be a millionaire, a US dollar millionaire. Hang on. What do you think they will say? They're going to say it's not possible. They're going to say, are you crazy? They're going to say, please be real. Be realistic. Don't fool yourself. Look at you. You, a millionaire, you don't even have 10 US dollars in your bank account. So think about it. What are you asking for? You want financial freedom. But to achieve this, the only thing that is going to keep you going is the power of your dream. A dream that is strong enough, you can ignore the world. You can be an absolute moron. Don't know anything. You don't know what is left, what is right also. Doesn't matter. But if you have a dream, everything is possible. So this business is not about intellectualism. This business is real. This business must be built not from here, but from here. But to drive you, you need that dream. Are you guys with me? No? I am a firm believer that the dream is the only thing that matters in network marketing. Because in network marketing, you cannot fail. Some people say, I tried, but I failed. That's impossible. You cannot fail in network marketing if you keep doing it. The only time you fail in network marketing is when you quit, when you give up. All right? There is no such thing as failing in network marketing. Whether it's going to take you 6 months or 6 years, you will max out, because max out is there. You just have to reach out and grab it. But if while you are trying to reach max out, you give up, you quit, then you're not going to make it. But why do people quit this business? Why do people give up? My answer is very simple. There is no reason to give up in network marketing. There is no reason to quit. But if you don't have a reason, if you don't have the dream, of course you're going to quit. Because network marketing without a dream is just another job. You can find your dream, but you got to find it within yourself. You see, when I think about this, when I think about Amma, and when I think of every time I wanted to give up, every time it became too difficult, she kept me going. But not her words, not what she did, but the fact that everything I was doing was for her. And you need to find a dream like that. That you're going to be on this journey for many years. You're going to be with us for maybe the next 19, 20, 30 years. And there are going to be times where you will feel like giving up. And the only thing that will keep you going is that dream. And your dream can be anything, guys. It can be a house. It can be a material thing. It can be a person. But you need to find that dream. So you need to think back on your journey of life and ask yourself, why are you really here? Why did you start this journey with us? What is going to keep you going when you feel like giving up? What's going to push you? You need to find that dream, that this business doesn't make sense without a dream. And if you truly came here to change, if you emptied your cup, then find your dream today.